Academic Super Economy Mathematics Textbook Class Prep Age Group 5 Plus. Dear students, open page number 23. So what is on page number 23 is the concept of before, between and after. So today we're gonna learn these three terms. Before is the thing which is come before or firstly, and between is the thing which comes after before and before after. So in between the thing which is in between, compressed in between, and after is the thing which comes forwardly. So let me give you an example, such as there is a word two, so I will say what comes before two. So here comes one. So one, here one comes before two. So if I will say what comes after two, you will say three. So here is a general respect that when I will say what comes in between 4 and 6, you will say 5. Like this way you can learn the concept of before, after and between. And one more thing, what comes in between breakfast and dinner? You do lunch in between. So in this way you're gonna learn this very nicely. And one more thing, here is the guideline for the teachers what they can do. They should engage the children in the number-based activity related to counting of objects to make them understand the concept of before, between and after. Such as, let me tell you one more thing, that they can make the flashcards of different numbers, such as the teacher can put the card of 4 in his or her hand, and ask the student that what comes after 4. So the student will pick the flashcard of 5. You can write two numbers on the board and leave the gap in between, such as you can write 10 and 12 on the board and leave the gap in between and ask the students what come between, so they will fill that gap. And one more thing, you can write a before section and an after section, and you will ask what comes before and leave the gaps for that, such as if you write 8 and what comes before, so students will write 7 on the board. And if you will ask the after activities, you will write 9 on the board and ask what comes after and leave the gap. They will write 10 over there. In this way they're gonna learn this very nicely and with an interesting way. And what the teacher should expect the outcome, that develop a worksheet to practice what comes before, between and after. Organize a role play to understand the concept of before, between and after, such as shown in this activity. Like you can make 3 students to stand parallelly and then let them know who is before, who is after, who is between according to their standing condition. Thank you.